welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. Today in this episode, I will guide you on how you can get logged into your Roadrunner email account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on your PC. Now there search for Roadrunner email login. And now from the search result, you have to tap on the very first link, Spectrum Webmail Login TWC and Roadrunner RR email. And then you will be directly taken to its login page. Now there, don't get confused with the Spectrum and Roadrunner. Open up Roadrunner and ended up in Spectrum login page, as Roadrunner has been rebranded to the Spectrum and its official name is Spectrum and the Roadrunner is the secondary name of the Spectrum. Now you have to type in the email address and the email password to get logged into your Spectrum or Roadrunner email account. Now if you want to remember your email address by the system and in the next login, you don't have to manually type in your email address, then tick this square box which says remember email address. But if in case you're using others or shared device, then make sure to uncheck this box. And once you're done with typing in your email address and email password correctly, tick the square box which says I am not a robot. Once you get this tick mark, tap on sign in button. And if in case you have forgotten your email address or your email password, you can retrieve it by tapping on forget email address or forget email password links. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your Roadrunner email account. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.